Today we'll show you how to successfully coordinate tenant showings using Avail. Easily streamline the process of organizing showings by setting up time slots that work best for you, sharing your personal calendar, and allowing tenants to book appointments directly. Showing your property provides you the opportunity to really highlight your rental with more than just words. First, navigate to your listing tab on your property. You're able to complete this process when first setting up your listing, yet we'll assume the listing is already published. Therefore, you'll scroll down to your Showings Availability section. From here, you'll want to click on Add Showing Slot. This will allow you to choose a showing date, time frame, and time slots for each showing. Lastly, you can customize the notifications sent to the leads ahead of the showing. Once this looks good to you, you can go ahead and click Save. Congratulations, you've just successfully coordinated tenant showings using Avail. You'll be email notified upon each new booking. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.